using the Ford Mustang navigation system. Tap the map picture on the home screen. Now tap the search button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Using the keypad, enter the address or location you wish to drive to. In this example, we are using Port Douglas. Tap the location, which will display below the search bar on the screen. Confirm your destination is correct, and if so, tap the Start button. The route to your destination will be confirmed on the screen, and voice guidance will now commence until you have reached your desired location. Thank you for choosing to drive with Cairns Luxury Car Hire. Please enjoy your drive.